Garbage disposal splash guards and plugs. And this is the RQYEKDO splash guard and plug. They claim to be quieter. And you can see this is the unit we're discussing. This is the older one, and you can see it's much more open. So it is quieter. Let me demonstrate. So it is noticeably quieter. Now, as far as draining is concerned, I filled this a couple of times. This one took 7 seconds to drain. This one took 8 seconds to drain. I didn't see a discernible difference between the two. Well, 1 second. Over time, if you don't stay on top of these things and keep them clean, they begin to smell. And you think, where is that horrible smell coming from? And you think, well, I'll use some Drano in there. And you pour the Drano in. Then you try the ice cubes. Then you try the lemon peels. And it persists. And after a time, if you're lucky, it dawns on you, it's this. So you can put it in the dishwasher and you can scrub it, clean it up, and it takes care of the problem. But eventually they wear out. And you need a new one. So this is such. And it's built to be quiet, to muffle the sound. I don't know. I don't know. There's not much else to say about this, but there you have it. The RQYEKDO